So, hello student. Today we are going to discuss another experiment number, that is experiment number second in IT workshop, that is insertion and deletion of an element in an array. So in last lecture, or what we can say, that in last session we discussed the things how we are going to create an one dimensional array, two dimensional array, or row vector and column vector. So today we are going to discuss insertion and deletion of an element which are available in an array. So array, it is a data structure, right? In array there are we can define the array in a different manner, that is row vector, column vector, and through with the help of matrix. Okay, so just take the example here. We are going to discuss describe or create an array with the help of a is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6. So on console, whenever we are going to execute this command, at that time it will create what it will create, it will create a row vector. Now for the same two dimensional array, we have to just define the row vector and column vector for the same. Okay, so this is your B matrix, so it will print 1 2, then 3 4 on second column, 5 6 on third column, sorry, third row. Okay, so in this way, just in this way, it will display the content that are 1 and 2 on first row, 3 and 4 on second row, and 5 and 6 on third row. Now we have to execute the command for how we are going to discuss how we are going to insert a value at the given array, whether we can able to the change of whether we are able to change the value of the given array or not. We are going to discuss things through the this practical. So here we are having 3 by 3 matrix, that is the elements are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. And what we are going to do, we are going to insert a 12 number at position of 2 in a row 1. So in row 1, what we are going to do, we are going to add 12 number on the position of 2. So how we are going to get the position, that is a in bracket, a in bracket parenthesis, one describe your row number, and two describe the how, which number of element you wanted to change or alter or update, and 12 describe the value which is to be inserted on the number given to the in the array. So whenever we are going to execute this command, we will get this. Okay, so in this way we are going to change the value of given array. Okay, same array 1 comma 3, 1 comma 3. So here it describe another syntax, that is array in array A, row 1 and 3, row 1 and 3, at the number position, that is 3, add 22 and 33 instead of 3 and 9. Okay, so this is the another way we are going to add or insert the element into the array. Okay, so this is the another way to insert the random position, random number into the given details, that are in array A, row number 1 and 2, that is this and fourth one, on the position of 2, that is over here you have to add 77. Okay, so here we will get 77. Okay, so these are the commands for insertion and element into the array. So whenever, just same, we insert the element into the array, just same we are going to delete the element into the array. Okay, so here this is your matrix, 3 by 3 matrix, and here what we are going to do, we are going to just simple array name, and here just look out over here, colon is there and comma 3. So here what it describe, whatever the element which are available into the column 3, that are 369, and here we write only square bracket, that are open and square bracket here. Okay, and here it will deleted all that elements. So they, just here 147 258 369 is not there. Okay, so thus in this way we are going to insert and delete element from an array. So we will discuss this thing to the practical. Okay, so this is your practical for performing operation on insertion and deletion from the element of an element from an array. So CLC and clear all, in last practical I already discussed to you people that add these two commands, not mandatory, but keep in practice to add these things in that uh, starting of your program, because CLC clear all the console, and clear all will clear all the your workspace. So array 1 describe your 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, so here with the help of array 1, here we will write the code for uh, insert the element that are from 1 to 9, and with the help of fprintf I am just writing the message, and with the help of this command I am displaying the value which are available in an array. Okay, so what I am trying to do over here, array 1, array row 1, in that one position what it will write, it will insert 11, same array number 1, second row in third position what it will write, 22, in 3 array 3 second position it will write 33. Okay, so this just thus in this way, another way we are going to add data insert. Okay, just same, uh, here we are inserting the element into the array, just same we are insert row and column into the given array. Okay, so here array 1 fourth number of row add what, 20 30 40. Yes, just like way what here we did over here, we add fourth number of row, uh, we also add fourth number of column over here. So here we will write the column contents, so here we will displaying that contents. Okay, now this is the code for deleting the element from an array. So array 2, whatever the element which are array 1 on the second row, whatever the element which are available, what it will write, it delete all that element. Okay, same in this command, whatever the content which are available on third third column delete all that content. Okay, so after executing this command, this program we will get this kind of result. So the elements of array, so here we will display the array. So this is your, okay, so here we perform this command. Okay, just here array 1 comma 1 is equal to 11, what it will display, it will add array number 1 row number 1, and at the position of 1 what it will add? 11. Same array number 2, position number 3 add 22. Same array number 1, row number is 3, and position number 2 what it will write? 33. Okay, right. Now next one is insertion of a row and columns. Here we will add the row and columns, and deletion of a second row. Okay, so deletion, here we use this command: array1 2, whatever the content available in this command, delete all that element. And again we are going to delete the third column. Okay, just here, whatever the elements available in third column, delete all that. Okay, so thus in this way we perform the practical for insertion and deletion of an element of the element of an array. Okay, thank you so much.